47 high ball, east, stomach clear. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Flip that black one down there, all the way forward. This one right here.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Rear the engine rev up. Bell there, pull that red knob out.
Nice.
2 toots.
Yeah.
Hold. Out. There you go.
Nice.
Throttle 1. And slowly release your brake. And pushing it this way towards me.
Oh, that.
Yep.
Okay.
Slowly towards me. Push down a little bit.
Oh, push.
Push
Or
down.
no, pull.
Push down a little bit and then pull.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Just let it do its thing from here.
I still gotta chill out more.
So as we're getting going here, I don't know if you remember me doing it, we're going to make sure that our air brakes work, okay? Get some sufficient speed here, about 5 miles an hour. Get that about the 10 or less set on the red brake. Do that now. So pull it up, yep.
So get it down to like.
Yeah, do about 85, 80, and we're going to feel for the train and start slowing down. That's good. Feel it. And release. There we go. Brakes work. That's very important. Alright. You go to notch 2.
Yeah. What I don't understand is how is it possible to be nervous when you're having fun? You know what I mean? I'm like,
Right.
or maybe it's just more so like concerned, maybe a little bit, I guess.
Go back to 1.
It's normal. It's when you're operating something like this, you want to be safe. That's why.
Bell off. Push that red knob.
Yeah.
There we go. Now you'll see your train coming out the switch in the mirror there. Once the last car gets out on the main line, go up to notch 2 again.
Okay.
ride it out from there. This is the part of the railroad where you can relax a little bit.
Oh, nice.
You can think of how you've done so far, how much more than you could do after this.
Yeah.
And then you know.
I'm getting the hang of it.
Yeah. Once you get an idea of how everything
Yeah.
works, it's pretty simple. Back to 2. Alright, come up to the siding here. We got a green and a green. So we'll go back to 1. There we go. Put an idle real quick, which is all the way. And then back to 1. There we go. Alright, grab that brake handle and make about a 10-pound set. So you're at 90, go to about 80, maybe a little bit less than 80.
Yeah.
Or a little bit more than 80. And do it. Pull it out. A little bit more than that. Going. Alright, good right there. And then press that black handle down. Set this pretty down. Once you set that, don't push it back.
Okay.
Yep, pull it up. Right there. And press that black handle down. Okay. Just leave it. Right there. Yep. Perfect. Right now, we'll ease it back down to 15. And once you see it hit 15 miles an hour, push this red one all the way back to the
Okay.
Yep.
So James, how do you get good at judging distance? I bet you're really good at it.
It's just
Like-
experience.
Like confident.
Yep, yep,
It's like driving a car.
yep. All right, flip that bell
Except
on.
bigger and different.
We're gonna do long, short, long. Pauses in the
Yeah.
middle. So start it at about this next pole.
Okay. Great. Oh,
Right now.
oh, this.
Okay, then wait a second. Do a short about now. Wait a second. And then the last one, you hold, carry it over across it.
Okay.
Now. Perfect. Turn that bell back on. And then back to notch 2.
Yeah, now the sequence is starting to make more
Yep.
sense. Yeah.
So when, obviously you can tell now how you want to time it so you can get a sufficient gap in between the horn, in between the sequence.
So do you wait until like the front of the train reaches a certain, or how do you typically do
It's
it?
pretty much a judgment call.
Okay.
Everyone's a little different.
Just you basically however fast you're going, and then knowing you have to make those pauses.
Yeah.
And then go to 3. Leave it at 3. Get back up to 30. And what I'll have you do here, look in your rear. You see that green flag that's mounted on the side of the last car.
Yes.
Yes, so when we're coming back west, we're shoving back west, you're going to do the same thing, long, short, long.
Okay.
So you're going to carry that last one to when you see that green flag.
Oh, I'm sorry.
When you shove back west, you're going to do the same thing with the
Yeah.
so you're going to do that last one for that green flag.
Okay.
Basically, you're doing the same thing, but for the rear.
So where's the, sorry, I'm not seeing the green flag. Is it on the
stick, right?
Well, he is still in power. What we're doing by leaving it in power is what I mentioned earlier. Is we're keeping the train stretched out. It's a simulation. Obviously, there's nobody on the train, but that's what